What up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I'm back with another wig review. This review is brought to you by Superbwigs.com, and it's going to be a curly bob unit. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into this wig review. So the hair came from, yes, you see my doggy. That's Barry Allen. So the wig came from Superbwigs.com, and I'm just gonna open this up. It is a human hair unit, and yeah, it's like a 13 by 6, I believe, and it's a short curly. So we are definitely going to see what we can do with that. They give me definitely enough lace space, and we'll see what we can do with this. She's a cutie. Okay, so this does have a comb at the top portion, so you guys already know I'm going to take that comb out. Instead of bleaching, I am going to go ahead and use my foundation to give it some color to bleach the knots. So stay tuned and let's watch this go down. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me 240 and my e.l.f. contouring brush. If you've seen any of my videos, you already know what this routine is. So I'm just gonna pat it down and then lightly pat it into the lace on the unit. Okay, so I'm going in, as you can see, and giving it kind of that look. And what I like about using this is like the color that matches me, but it makes it give like my lace a blurred look so that you can't really see the knot, and that's what's really important, to make sure that you can't see the knot. Right, so let's go ahead and throw her on. So this is the final look. I like that it's drying and it looks real full now instead of looking like a wet curly look. I like this because this looks like it's like a natural curl that I have, you know? And I think this is a real cute and playful look, just very girly. And I like that I do have the option where if I wanted to, I can wet it and put the right ingredients in my hair and make it have that wet curly look. So this is a unit that I'm definitely gonna have a lot of fun with. So I hope you like my video. Let me know what you think about this unit. Leave me some likes, some comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.